Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in an in-depth tutorial where we will embark on a journey into the world of file renaming on your Mac. Whether you are a seasoned Mac enthusiast or just starting out on your Apple adventure, mastering the art of file renaming is an essential skill for efficient digital organization. So, let's not delay any further and dive right into the exciting exploration of renaming files on your Mac. Renaming files on your Mac is as simple as a walk in the park. To begin, select the file you wish to rename, and then make your way to the trusty File menu. It is like your compass guiding you through the vast landscape of your digital world. There, nestled among the options, you will find the enchanting Rename feature. Click on it, and lo and behold, a world of possibilities unfolds before you. Feel the creative juices flowing as you type in the new name that perfectly suits your file. Once you have crafted the perfect moniker, a simple press on the return key seals the deal. It's a user-friendly process designed to make your life easier, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. But wait, there's a quick trick that can save you even more time. Now, let me introduce to you a magical key on your keyboard that holds the power to instantly catapult you into the rename mode. It is like a secret doorway to a world of endless possibilities for your files. Once you have entered this mode, you can effortlessly input the new name, letting your creativity run wild. Select the file, and instead of navigating the menus, press the return key. Then, with another graceful press of the return key, your file emerges with a fresh and vibrant identity, ready to take on its newfound purpose in your digital realm. This simple yet powerful process is bound to revolutionize the way you manage and organize your files. The beauty of this renaming technique is that it is not limited to files alone. Folders can also benefit from your newfound skills. Whether it's files or folders, the process remains consistent. Select the folder you want to rename, and like a seasoned pro, venture up to the File menu. There, you'll discover your loyal companion, Rename. Alternatively, if you are in a hurry, simply press Return to initiate the renaming process. With this versatile technique at your disposal, you will soon become a master of file folder renaming, effortlessly maintaining a well-organized digital realm. But what if you find yourself in a situation where you need to make some adjustments to the file extension? Well, fear not, because we've got your back, and we are here to provide you with a simple and effective solution. Whether it's a small modification or a complete overhaul of the file extension, we are about to unveil the tools and techniques that will empower you to take control of your file types effortlessly. Easily maneuver your cursor to select the extension, or, for an even quicker solution, use the time-saving Command-A keyboard shortcut to select the entire name, including the extension. It is all about convenience and efficiency, making your Mac experience smoother than ever before. Thank you for embarking on this educational journey with us. As we have navigated the intricate world of file renaming on your Mac, we are hoping that you have found this tutorial to be a valuable resource in your quest for digital organization. If you hunger for more Mac-related tips and tricks, remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our future content. We are truly appreciative on your support and cannot wait to see you in our upcoming videos. Until then, happy renaming and thanks for watching.